Aloha, in this video we're going to do the data sorted test program. And in this program, in this assignment, you're supposed to read a file of words, and you're supposed to say whether or not the words in the file are sorted or not. And if they're not sorted, it tells you what the first two out of order words were in the file. All right. So first of all, you need to. I ask you to create one file that's got at least 5 words, and the first two out of order words are the and people. I ask you to create that file, and then I ask you to create another file that's got at least 5 words where they all are all in order. And those two files are what you're going to use to test your program. So I've created one file here called string1.txt, and it contains 5 words, and the first two out of order words are the people. And so it's man, the people sure are stupid. So man is the first word, the is the second word, and those are sorted. And then people is the third word, and that's not sorted. That people should come before, or people does not come after the alphabetically. It comes before the alphabetically. So this should display out for this one here. And then I created another file called string2, and it's just got a A, a B, a C, a D, a T, and a Z. Okay, so these words are in alphabetical order. All right. So let's do this program using Visual Studio Code. How's that? So let me just create a folder up here. I'm going to get rid of these two right here. And let me create another folder here called sorted words test. And I will go inside here. And then I'll open up a command line. Oops, what happened? And let me open this up, copy the path, copy, go back here and do CD space paste. And here we are, and let me do code period, and Visual Studio Code opens up. And so I'm going to start a new program, and what do I ask you to name it something here? Oh, A, Y, P, well, whatever. Okay, let me, oh, and I want to submit those two. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to just create my files in here. So I'm going to create a file called string, oh no, let me just save as string1.txt, and that's supposed to have some words and the people. Okay, so the people are the first words out of order, so I can say alpha, beta, the people are out to lunch. Doesn't matter. Okay, so this is string 1. This this can be saved. And then I need to make a string 2. So let me do new file, string 2. And all these words are supposed to be in order. So alpha, beta, Charles, delta, epsilon, Frank, melody, and that's good. All right. So these words are all in alphabetical order. So let me save that. Okay. Now I need to make a new file called ay8.py, and that's going to have my program in it. So let's do that. New file called a8.p. Save as a8.py. All right, so we're going to start out by enter a file name. Let me put this over there, this over here. Let me do this, and file name. So I'm going to call it file name equals input. Enter a file name, :space quote. And the file handle is open file name, read only. And then the words string is equal to the file handle dot read. It's the read method. And then we're going to do the words are equal to the words string split on a space. And let's print out there, print. There are len words. There are that many words. Length of the array. All right. We're going to start with we're supposed to say if they're in order. So we're going to keep track of the previous word. So we're going to look at the current word and we're going to keep track of the previous word. For each W in words, we're going to, if this word is greater than or equal to the last word, so this is the last word, greater than or equal to the last word, we're going to have to initialize that. Then the last word is equal to W. So then everything's fine. Otherwise, everything's not fine. Print. The words are not sorted. The first two out of order words are last and W. And are we looping? Yes, we're looping. So for looping, we can exit this so we can get out of the loop here. Otherwise, we're just going to keep on looping. Um, and I need to record. Okay, I'm gonna uh, when we're done. Uh, let's see. I'm gonna do sorted. Sorted equals true. True. And then I'm gonna do. If I get to this point, then I know that sorted is false. So sorted equals false. Otherwise, we're just going to keep on going. And if when I'm done here, if sorted is true, then we say print the words are sorted. Otherwise, print the words are not sorted. Oh no, it's going to print that right here, so I don't need this. Don't need this at all. It's either going to print this, the words are not sorted in the first two words, or it's going to go all the way to the end and print the words are sorted. Okay, I need to initialize last, so let me just say last equals nothing. All right, so let's try this out. I'm going to go to View. I'm going to view the terminal, and I'm going to say py a8.py. Oops, I gotta save it. Keep forgetting. Save. All right, now I can do this. Enter a file name, string1.txt. There are 8 words. The words are not sorted. You know, I'm going to display out the words. Word string. Print word string. All right. Now we save and run. I'm going to try to run this way. Run. Start debugging. Enter a file name, string1.txt. Prints it out. It says there are 8 words. The words are not sorted. The first word of the people. Yes. Let's try this again. Run and debug. String2.txt. Yes, very good. Okay, let's see. So I'm done. Save everything. Exit. And then I can, this is my, let me go up one. Ooh. It's this here. So let me right click and do send to compressed. And we end up over here someplace. And then I can do here and go to browse desktops. Not this, that's the folder. Sorted words test.zip. And click submit. And there we go. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.